Welcome back, part 2 of maintenance. We're going to be replacing the shocks today. The tools we're going to be using: a flathead sludge hammer, impact, 19mm socket, a crescent wrench. We're going to be replacing the old shock that's below the air cylinder. With the Monroe shock, the number will be 32238, and that will fit on any Coleman Hanna equipment. First step is we're going to loosen the bolts on both ends using the impact and then using the crescent wrench. Has been released, so now I'm going to release one of the air holes, so now it'll be easier for me to take out the other bolt from the air cylinder.
KT, can you tell the viewers how many minutes it took you to remove this one bolt?
It almost took me at least 30 to 45 minutes to remove this one bolt.
So be prepared to struggle a little bit.
Both of the bolts are taken out. Be prepared to struggle a little bit because it does get kind of rusty. The old shock. To correctly reinstall the shock, make sure that the body is facing the frame. And this part is going to be facing the arm. I'm going to start on the body part first. Now I'm going to cut this band off. So I have the other shock in on the other side. Now I have to line up the air cylinder and then put in the bolt. So I have both bolts in. Once I get the nut and the washer on this end, and then I'll be able to tighten up both ends. Now it's time for tightening. So both ends of the bolts are tightened, and now we're going to reconnect our air line to the air cylinder. Checking to see if the bolts are loose, but they're tight. There you go. That's how you replace a shock on a Coleman Hanna equipment. Just finished putting one shock on. It took us longer than we anticipated due to the stripping of the bolt and the nut. So we have 3 more to go ahead and do, and we're gonna go ahead and take care of that. And like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.